History. Regency Boats was founded in 1969 by Fink in Miami, Florida. Fink utilized aircraft manufacturing techniques to revolutionize pleasure boat building. Regency pioneered the use of aluminum in boat construction. Best inventions. Regency's patented the FasTrac hull system, which improved stability and performance. The company was also known for innovations like built-in swim platforms and modular furniture designs. Recent developments. In recent years, Regency has focused on environmental sustainability. The company introduced electric hybrid models and solar battery charging options. Regency also collaborated with BMW Designworks on stylish new boat interiors. Current status. Headquartered in Orlando, Regency Boats currently manufactures a range of sport yachts, cruisers and center consoles ranging from 23 to 38 feet. The company prides itself on combining performance, comfort and style for the ultimate on-water experience. Regency remains an industry leader known for its innovative use of technology and materials.